Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to your Bluehost site. I just tap on my Safari browser, and before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan for creating account. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me after creating your account. Install and activate the plugin. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left hand menu, go to the plugin, add new, just tap on it, and in the search bar at the top, type font plugin. Locate the plugin development by font plugin. Click install now and wait for the plugin to install. So after installing, navigate to fonts plugin settings, just tap on it, customize, choose the element you want to customize, and once you choose an element, you can pick the Google font you want to apply. So this is how to change custom on a Bluehost. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.